Hi guys, welcome to our video notes 8-4 rational functions. So a rational function can be written as a ratio of two polynomials. The most basic parent function of a rational function is f of x equals 1 over x. Some people also call this the reciprocal function. So let's plug in some x values to get an idea of what this parent function looks like. So if I plug in -2, 1 divided by -2 is -1/2. 1 divided by -1 is -1. 1 divided by 0 is undefined. So therefore, there's going to be an asymptote there at x equals 0. Asymptote. 1 divided by 1 is 1. And 1 divided by 2 is positive 1/2. So we already see that this is going to have an asymptote right here, vertical asymptote at x equals 0. And it's also going to have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0. So there are two asymptotes here. So now let me go ahead and plot my points. -2, -1/2, -1, -1, and it's undefined. So it's going to come here like a rational exponential function. And then the other side is 1, 1, and 2, 1/2. It's going to be another exponential function. So a rational function really creates two exponential functions with two asymptotes. And this function is called discontinuous because it starts here and then it jumps to another part here. It's not a continuous function. So one thing we're going to do in this section is transform rational functions. So this is the form that we will see most rational functions if they've had a transformation done. Remember, K tells us if we're going up or down. Oops. H tells us if we're going left or right. And A tells us if we're going to shrink, stretch, or reflect. Same properties we've used in all previous functions. The one thing we always need to keep in mind though is where is our vertical and horizontal asymptotes. And for rational functions, this is always true. Vertical asymptote at x equals h, horizontal asymptote at y equals k. And remember, our domain, our x can never equal h, our asymptote. And you read this as the set of all x values such that x does not equal h. The range is the set of all y values such that y does not equal k. So we will be graphing these rational functions and transforming them.